Welcome back to A Great Cooker. I'm Serfronya. Today we're going to be cooking some very economical leg quarters in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp air fryer. First, you always need your inner pot whenever you cook anything in this Instant Pot. And then you add your air fryer basket. I just attach the base. I'm going to be both pressure cooking and air frying, so I need to add 1.5 cups of water. Now, I've already seasoned my chicken liberally on both sides. I know some people like to pressure cook first and then season before air frying, but I just want to do it all up front and not have to worry about forgetting to season it later. It's going to be pretty snug to fit both of these leg quarters in the Instant Pot, but it'll work. To start out, add the air fryer lid. I need to get used to this new lid. You don't have to set it to ceiling anymore. It's automatic now. So I'm choosing pressure cook, and to start off, these need to cook for high for 14 minutes. Also something new, my old air Instant Pot, it would just start automatically, but now you actually have to press start. And believe me, it took me a little while to figure that out. While I'm waiting for my chicken to come to pressure, I want to let you know to make sure to subscribe to A Great Cooker, where I use my cast iron, air fryer, and pressure cooker to cook foods that are always frugal, mostly homemade, and always easy and delicious. The pressure cooking portion of this dish is done, so I'm going to go set a timer for myself for 14 minutes. And during that time, I'll let this chicken naturally release a bit. All right, now it's time to release whatever pressure is left. It's been 14 minutes. There really wasn't that much pressure left. I want to take some temperature readings and see where we stand before we start air frying. 175. On the other side, 187. Let me try to get in close to the bone because that tends to be where it doesn't cook as much. Okay, we're looking really good. Let me show you what the chicken looks like at this point. Technically, it's actually edible at this moment. It's cooked all the way through, but this is where the beauty of the Duo Crisp Plus air fryer comes in. We're going to be able to crisp up the skin really nicely. I'm putting on the air fryer lid. You line everything up and it just sets right on top. Oh, it's beeping because I now have the wrong lid on. So I'm going to hit cancel, then change it over to air fry. And I actually want to air fry for 14 minutes. Start. The reason why I did 14 minutes of pressure, 14 minutes of release, and now 14 minutes of air frying is because I've tried a lot of different combinations of different cooking times. And this is the one that I found where no matter the thickness of the chicken, of the leg quarter, it actually cooks all the way through. But yet at the end, it's still juicy and the skin still gets crispy. All right, it's almost time for the moment of truth. Let's see what we've got. This is my dinner, so I am very happy about how it looks. Let me go ahead and plate it up. Look, I can just take a piece right from here and we can see what we're working with. Wow. That is, look at that. That's juicy and tender. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.